Slip the goggles on, the world fades to gray. Throw the throttle up, we are blasting away. Slicing through the concrete, defying the lines. Chasing the horizon, through the neon signs. Look at the static, the video feed. Adrenaline pumping, it's a hunger for speed. Gaps in the fences, a split-second window. Ghosting the shadows where the wild winds blow. I am synced with the frame, I am one with the drone. In this digital sky, I am ruling the throne. Pitch, roll and yaw, every angle is mine. We are breaking the laws, leaving physics behind. Pop it up high, now we start the dive. Free falling 100 feet just to feel alive. Maddie flips, power loops, proximity tight. Concrete canyons burning in the dead of the night. The voltage is dropping but the fire is hot. Taking every tight gap, hitting every sweet spot. Even if the feed breaks and snow fills the screen, nothing can stop what the goggles have seen. Absolute velocity. I am synced with the frame, I am one with the drone. In this digital sky, I am ruling the throne. Pitch, roll and yaw, every angle is mine. We are breaking the laws, leaving physics behind. Low battery and safe landing. Land warning flashing, the cells getting lean. One final snap roll, keeping it clean. Smooth on the sticks, bringing it down to the floor. Disarming the motors, but I still want